Hello and welcome to LeadQuizzes, the number one AI quiz maker for marketers. This is Ahmad, your customer success manager. One of the most common questions I get as a customer success manager is how many questions should my quiz have? So today, I'm sharing the data driven sweet spot that maximizes your lead without losing your audience. After analyzing thousands of quizzes, our research shows that the sweet spot is 5 to 10 questions. If under 5 questions, the quiz feels too light and lacks perceived value. If you go over 10, you'll see a major drop off in the completion rate. For most lead generation campaigns, 6 to 8 questions is a major number. This takes about 60 to 90 seconds, the perfect window for a modern attention span. Of course, your audience matters. Don't forget to use skip logic. It keeps your quiz short by skipping irrelevant questions, ensuring every click provides value. Quality always beats the quantity. So I suggest start with 7 questions, check your completion rate in your report section, and then adjust your quiz from there. If you still have any questions, just reply or book a quick call. I am here to help you succeed. Start building your quiz today with Lead Quizzes and watch your leads and your business grow faster. Thank you.